So guys, got Miss J Huth here, and this is Steven, and I'm gonna do a bike shop for you today. Shut the hell up, Pappy. Alright, start off with the front rim. We have a black label, sealed bearings and a hub. Black label stock forks. Frame is a Miraco 20.75. Subrosa Hold'em stem with death row bars, ODI long neck grips, animal seat with shadow pedals and weeded people cranks, and I got Primo Narstar chain wheel, and I got a Primo balance back wheel, yeah, and stock tires. So that's about my bike check, yeah.